Happy Father's Day.
Super cold.
Happy Father's Day, Queen Mark.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you very much.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video is going to be camping vlog. Yay! Good morning everyone. Today is Sunday, Father's Day, and we are here in the campground called Wakalu Hep. It is in the STANISLAUS County. It's very beautiful over here. This campsite is first come first serve, so there are no reservations needed. You do have to come in early so that way you can find yourself a good campsite, and we were able to do that, so I'm really glad we left early. We were here Saturday morning. We left really early from home. Well, actually not that early. We wanted to, but it didn't happen that way. But anyways, I don't know if you guys can see, but I have the mountain and Jorah behind me. We named our cars, you know, Game of Thrones people, but
This is Segregel Kagain.
the FJ is called the mountain, and you know, you have Harris. That is Harris' car now, and you have Harris tent, rooftop tent, and behind it is Jorah, and then we also have our rooftop tent. So I'll show you guys around the campsite and the whole campground. Actually, we're gonna go down to the river pretty soon after breakfast maybe, and maybe the kids can go swimming a little bit. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel. It's for free, okay, if you guys like camping videos. So all right, bye. Kuya Mark, kaya niyo yan.
No, no.
1, 2,
He's gonna be there for
CrossFit,
20 minutes.
CrossFit. CrossFit, CrossFit. Oh, Jace, say Kuya Mark. Goes. Oh, Tito Mark. Tito Mark.
Madulas ba yung rock dito?
Tito.